Salve a tutti, hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel, the place where I get to share all my personal luxury finds. Every single piece you see here is something I bought with my own money. No sponsorships, no gifts, nothing to sell, just me, my love of fashion, and a little bit of shopping addiction. The whole vibe here, my whole vibe is to give you the real deal. From unboxing to showcasing pieces in details and discussing the potential and the reasons for these buys. And can we talk about today's outfit for a second? I'm rocking a leopard bordeaux top with a leopard balloon skirt. The top I got at Pimki and the skirt I bought on ASOS. This outfit is totally setting the tone for what I'm about to show you today. If you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with bold prints and statement pieces. I'm really super pumped to share one of my latest luxury purchases. I'm talking about the Isabel Marant BETH sneakers. These beauties are linked in the description box below, and trust me, if you're into them as much as I am, don't wait too long because they're flying off the shelves. So let's get into it. By the way, this box is very soft. It has nothing to do with the sneakers, but it doesn't hurt. You know that I have a pretty solid collection of sneakers, by the way, especially those chunky 90s dad sneakers, but these are something I didn't own for sure. As much as I'm into that 90s vibe, I realized I was missing something. And these are not just another pair of sneakers, they clearly bring something new and fresh to my wardrobe. First off, they have these Velcro straps that are giving me major 70s throwback vibe. And yeah, this is a pretty cool detail and a very convenient detail too. What's fabulous too is the back of the shoe with the Isabel Marant logo in red, and I love red with leopard. And there's another logo on the side. They're different, they're eye-catching for sure with the leopard print. And yeah, talking about the print, let's talk about the material, because that's where these sneakers really shine. They're made from 90% calf leather and 10% lamb leather, so the quality is off the charts. But the real star here, again, clearly the leopard print, but the leopard print on pony hair. And leopard print, as you can see today, is my ultimate go-to when I want to add some edge to an outfit. And on these sneakers, the print is just perfect. It's bold, it's fierce, it's sophisticated. The print on these sneakers has the power to elevate any look, pun intended, because they're quite flat. As you can see, it's like a 1 centimeter heel, so they're really comfortable as well. I bought them on my Theresa, and while I usually trust their sizing info, this time I have to say that they were way off. It's not my first pair of Isabel Marant shoes, and usually what I do is I size up, especially for boots. I think I just have one pair of biker boots. I didn't size up, and I actually sized down, but that's pretty much it. Every pair of Isabel Marant I own, almost, except for those boots and a pair of sandals, I have sized up. And I think that especially for sneakers, it's really important to feel really at ease and comfortable. Even for other brands of sneakers, I usually size up. They looked huge right out of the box, and I was worried that it might be too bulky. But once I tried them on, I realized that they were not as massive as I initially thought. They're actually pretty balanced and then don't feel over the top at all. Compared to some other sneakers, they're really unique, but they still fit in my wardrobe. And again, for the fit, here's the scoop: size up. And just a heads up, if you're in between sizes or if you just want to be comfortable, again, definitely size up. I've already decided these are staying with me. Clearly, I made up my mind as soon as I saw them. But yeah, what I really wanted to share today, beside their potential, is the pure joy of finding shoes like that. And these shoes actually fill a gap in my collection that I didn't even know existed. Again, I've got plenty of sneakers And I can show you a bunch of my 90s vibe sneakers. These are my Louis Vuitton Run 55 sneakers. And for my other dad sneakers, I have my Gucci Vuitton sneakers and my Balenciaga neon yellow flash track sneakers. But as you can see, nothing with this mix of 70s inspired Velcro straps, luxurious bunny hair, and the killer leopard print. So yeah, they're unique again, they're stylish, and they're me. They're just so me. And here's the thing, I'm all about making sure that everything I buy gets worn. That's the whole point, right? Especially when you're spending on luxury items, it's important to me that these pieces just don't sit in my closet. And if you want to see how I style these, head over to my Instagram. That's where I post all my looks. And trust me, you'll see these sneakers in heavy rotation. The proof is right there on my feed. To me, these pieces are meant to be loved and worn for years and not just admired from afar. In short, these sneakers tick all my boxes. Lastly, let's talk value. Clearly at 520 euros, these beauties are not cheap. But compared to my other luxury shoes, like my Louis Vuitton, they're actually a pretty good deal. These shoes are made in Portugal, which is a mark of quality since they're known for their leather craftsmanship. I don't even dare to check where these are made. I just won't. It's safer. So indeed, at 520 euros, they're not a steal, but compared to some of my other luxury shoes, they're actually a good deal. These retail for 990 euros. And the coolest part, they don't skip on comfort or style either. So yeah, I can tell they're gonna be as comfy, if not even more, than these. So if you're considering adding these beauties I'm showing again, I can't get enough of them already. I say go for it, but go fast. Act fast, because these are selling out like crazy everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and my new gems. Catch you in the next one. Vi preguna buona giornata, baci e scialada vi là.